Hello friends, today we are dealing with the regulation of glycolysis. Hexokinase, phosphofructokinase and pyruvate kinase catalyzes the irreversible reaction of glycolysis which are also regulates the glycolysis. The enzymes hexokinase and pyruvate kinase active in dephosphorylated state and inactive when they are phosphorylated. This inactivation is brought about by cyclic AMP. The hormone glucagon inhibits glycolysis by this mechanism. Here is the overview of enzyme regulation. Action of hexokinase is inhibited by glucose 6 phosphate which is present in muscle. Phosphofructokinase is activated by AMP as well as fructose 2,6 bisphosphate present in the liver, and its activity is inhibited by ATP, low pH in muscle and citrate, while the pyruvate kinase is activated by AMP and fructose 1,6 bisphosphate, while its activity inhibited by acetyl CoA, alanine and ATP. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.